Hey, what's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. I got the Traxxas Max with the wide body kit out and a Team Corrali Skeeter. Both of these rigs is for us. What I'm gonna do today, I want to test just the handling, speed, durability. Both of them are strong trucks. You know, the Max is a beast. I mean, I never broke this truck besides crashed. You know, nothing ever gave out on me except for the arms when I crashed wrong. Skeeter never gave me gave me two problems. I broke the servo saver the second time I ran it, and the wing the second time the wheelie bar. I did have a wing on there. I broke that myself. You know, the Max is a lot wider because it got the wide body kit on there. Bigger tires on the Skeeter just to try to at least get it a little wider. The Skeeter still rolled fine on the tires. It had the factory tires, but I just wanted it a little bit wider so it could kind of compete with the Max. What I might try to do, haven't thought of that, is put the wider arms on that. That'll be in my next video. I'm gonna put wider arms on here. You know, put wider arms on here to make it wider. Yeah, that'll work. The Skeeter is first up. Trying all kinds of different combos of tires. Full throttle. All right, now let's track this. Let's see what that speed was. It said 45 miles an hour. Couldn't keep it straight. I need some straight open road. Full throttle. I got 43 miles an hour. Take the GPS off. Just gonna bash it. Tires kind of cushioned the crash, didn't it? Handling, I give it a 9. Durability, I give it a 10. Speed is because it could be my fault, but I give speed an 8. Did I do durability? You know I gotta do my dirty badge because of that woolly bar. Damn. Yeah, you get a 9. You get a 9. The woolly bar broke too easy, but it was cold that day. This thing is a little monster, man. I'm destroying this body. I don't know, I like that turn right there. Let's do the grass of doom. Yo, the Skeeter did absolutely magnificent. The only got it up to 45 miles an hour. But I think that's due to who knows what. You know, nothing's hot. It is hot, but I was bashing hard. Need to put a fan on here. Now, next up is the Traxxas Max. That's just at speed. Got the ease. I didn't even start the countdown. But this battery is stronger. It is a little bit stronger. I mean, dang, it ain't that much stronger. All right, let me test this, check the speed. Said 43 miles an hour, but that's because I couldn't keep it straight. I don't know why I can't keep it straight. I almost lost it. Almost hit that pole. All right. So far, handling gets an 8. So far, handling gets an 8. Full throttle. So far, to me, the Skeeter kind of won that one. I don't know if it's because the tires is bigger on the Skeeter. I'll try that. I mean, but the Skeeter run this round, that's all. Now, if that speed 63 miles an hour is true, then it's about a toss-up. But I really pretty much doubt if it was 63 miles an hour. I'm gonna have to let this be the last one and call it done on this car. I'm quite sure she's hot. Okay, let's focus. All right, guys. Which one you think did better, the Skeeter or the Maxx? Or maybe I did something to make, the outcome the way it was. Because the Skeeter do have bigger tires. Maybe that's why I had better handling. Maybe that's why it was more stabler and a little bit faster. But see, the speed kind of could go anyway. Could have been my fault. I didn't do something, Tires are bigger. So the tires bigger, it's going to make it faster. Maxx still, it's a beast. It just was a little unstable. Kept flipping over on me. You would think the Widebody Maxx would flip less than the Skeeter. But the Skeeter does sit down lower. Both of them is good and durable, but I have to give hands up to the Skeeter. Team Corrales Skeeter 4. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck